Welcome to agileSI Configuration Frontend. After successful installation of agileSI on the agileSI core and all agent systems, plus the correct setup of background RFC destinations and technical users on all these systems, this frontend can be used to initially set up and run agileSI on the core and the remote agent systems, and to maintain and adopt the agileSI extractor configuration exactly to one customer's needs. This setup and the launch of agileSI Extractor Framework is just a few steps away. All you need is the background RFC destination names from core to agent system and back from agent to the core system as defined during installation of agileSI. The initial setup zip file delivered by ITCube and agileSI, and the logical file name created in transaction file in the core system to make agileSI create the consumer connector output file. agileSI will be delivered pre-configured and ready to use. This configuration will be set up by uploading agileSI initial setup zip file. For an initial and first setup of agileSI, use the option Initialize System Landscape. Insert the background RFC destination name from the core layer to the agent layer of the core system as a loopback destination within core system. By using the Browse button, select the initial setup zip file stored on your local PC, and the button Import will process the setup of agileSI extractor configuration. To make sure that the remote agent systems send the data to the core using the correct background RFC destination created on the remote agent system, in System Settings, this destination can be configured remotely. In Consumer Connector Settings, choosing the licensed theme Consumer Connector, insert the logical file name as defined in the SAP system and save your settings. In System Landscape, the agent systems can be added by entering the background RFC destination from core to the agent system. In Extractor Management, the set of agileSI extractors can be maintained. agileSI is delivered with a wildcard set of extractors that will be scheduled on all remote agent systems defined and shown in the system landscape before. The solution provides the maintenance of each wildcard defined set of extractor details, plus the creation and maintenance of new system-specific extractor instances. agileSI is pre-configured and ready to use, with a wildcard defined set of extractors and every extractor's details delivered by ITCube systems. The DSAG guidelines and recommendations, DSAG means German-speaking SAP user group, can be met. In fact, continuously complete and feeding SAP events and system settings directly into a theme solution. All extractor instances can be maintained to cover exactly one customer's needs and requirements regarding SAP Security Monitoring. By selecting Deploy All, the extractor details configuration gets rolled out to all the remote agent systems in the system landscape. The green lights show the successful scheduling of agileSI extractors on all the remote systems per system and extractor instance. agileSI is now successfully set up and running on all remote agent systems in the system landscape.